Hey guys, Steven here. I'm visiting my sister in Minnesota, and their 2008 Honda Odyssey door locks are not working, especially the driver door. If I use the clicker to lock, it doesn't lock. If I push the driver door lock in manually, all the locks engage. If I lift up on the driver door and then unlock everything, all the doors unlock. If I don't pull up on the driver door and I push the unlock button, I can hear a click like it's trying on the driver door, but it doesn't open any of the other doors either. So we're gonna take this door apart and try and replace the door lock actuator. So I've removed one screw here for the lock actuator and 3 here. And now I need to get this cable out. I got the door lock and the door regulation system out, and I'm just going to disconnect the connector from the lock actuator. And I'm going to keep all this other stuff attached while I get to the lock actuator, which is this part right here. Take them all the way out. And the lock actuator is just held in by these little clips. I just gently pry back on the clips and the lock actuator comes right out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get this lock actuator. And this new lock actuator is going to slide right into the grooves, and I'm going to make sure that this white channel fits into this yellowish or whitish yellowish piece right there as I slide it in. It does, clipped in place. And we'll begin to reassemble. I'm using my brother-in-law's Ryobi 1 Plus set, and I've used the work light here. I've used the impact drivers and the drill drivers. I really like them. Okay, now this is going to be one of the trickier parts, is getting everything back together. So I have to carefully weave everything back the way it went and get all the rods and the locking mechanisms just where they need to go. I've got all the locking cables attached top, and now I just need to get everything else fitted in correctly. This is the window rail, and it's going to slide up onto the base of the window. Let's see if that'll do it. The unlock worked on all the doors. Looks like the lock actuator is now working. So we'll put the rest of the door back and see what else is wrong. Okay, I got the door back together, and now let's give it a final test. So lock it, they all lock. We'll use the remote to unlock. Driver's side locks, all the other ones unlock. Looks like the actuator repair did the trick. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.